This is community contributors, and we're going to be taking a look at this section. The first video we're going to be taking a look at is we're going to be creating a Linux account. We're going to create a Linux account. Alright, on our account, to log in into everything on Ubuntu, we're going to be heading straight to this website. So what we need to do is to copy this link and go right ahead to our browser and then paste it directly into our browser, and this will automatically redirect us to this particular page over here. So what you need to do is, in between I have an Ubuntu One account and my password, you need to choose I don't have an Ubuntu One account. So the reason why my email is showing is because I'm already registered, and you have to choose I don't have an Ubuntu One account. Now what you need to do is we're going to be creating a Ubuntu account. So to do that, let me just close this. Let me log in into my own account so that let us take a look at how to create one. You make sure you type in your password here, your full name, the username you're going to be using for Ubuntu as the developer, and then you need 8 password characters, and you need to retype the password down here. After filling the all spaces, you make sure you tick the terms and condition, and then you create your account, and voila, you head straight back to your email. You get an email for your verification on your email, and then you're good to go. Alright, I'm gonna be logging in. Let me just log in. Alright, I am already logged in as a developer. So that's how to create an account. It is not that hard. It's very simple. Just follow how it is being done, and then very easy for you to create an account on Ubuntu. Alright, let me just log out and let me see the login again. As you can see, you make sure you go to I don't have an Ubuntu One account. You tick that, create, you type in your Gmail, your email, whatever email you're using, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or Yandex. You type in your full name, your username, your password, and then you retype your password, and then you accept the terms and conditions, and then you create your account.